Dissolution of a partnership firm. The study of this chapter would enable you to understand meaning of dissolution of partnership firm, modes of dissolution of a firm, difference between dissolution of firm and dissolution of partnership, settlement of accounts, difference between firm's debts and private debts, accounting on dissolution of partnership firm, difference between revaluation account and realization account. Dissolution of firm means business of the firm is discontinued, that is closed. As a result, economic relationship among the partners, and it is different from dissolution of partnership, which means change in relationship among the partners, but the firm continues with a new agreement. The old agreement comes to end and the firm continues with a new agreement. According to Section 39 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932, dissolution of firm means dissolution of partnership among all the partners in a firm. In such event, all the assets of the firm are realized, sold, and all liabilities are paid. The balance, if any, is paid to the partners. If there is a shortfall in meeting the outside liabilities, it is met by the partners from their private assets. Means if assets of the firms are not sufficient to pay the firm's debt, then it is met by the partners from their private assets. How firm can be dissolved? By mutual agreement. A firm may be dissolved when all the partners agree for its dissolution. Compulsory dissolution. A firm may be compulsorily dissolved when all the partners or all the partners except one become insolvent, when business of the firm becomes unlawful or illegal. Third, by notice. In case partnership is at will, the firm may be dissolved by any partner giving notice in writing to all the other partners of his intention to dissolve the firm. Section 43. On happening of an event, a firm may be dissolved in any of the following events: on expiry of the term for which the firm was constituted. Suppose a firm is established for 5 years, that after the expiry of that term, 5 years, the firm will automatically dissolve. On completion of the venture, on the completion of the particular project, on death of a partner, on adjudication of a partner as insolvent. In means एक कोर्ट ने एक ऑर्डर दे दिया कि एक पर्टिकुलर पार्टनर इंसॉल्वेंट है, तो देन जो है फॉर्म डिसॉल्व हो जाएगी. Dissolution by court. Court may pass order for the dissolution of the firm when a partner becomes a person of unsound mind. A partner becomes permanently incapable of performing his duties as a partner. A partner is found guilty of misconduct which is likely to adversely affect the business of the firm. Partnership agreement is breached persistently by partner or partners. Court find dissolution of the firm justified. The business of the firm cannot be carried on except at a loss. Difference between dissolution of firm and dissolution of partnership. Meaning, dissolution of firm means closure of the firm and end of business relationship among all the partners. And dissolution of partnership means change in the business relationship among the partners the old agreement comes to an end and the new agreement comes into force and the firm continues its business. Court intervention. A dissolution of firm can be either voluntarily by the partners or compulsorily by the order of court. And the dissolution of partnership is always voluntary. Business continuation. In case of dissolution of firm, business of the firm comes to an end, and in case of dissolution of partnership, business of the firm continues with new agreement. Closure of books of account. Books of accounts of the firm are closed in case of dissolution of firm. In case of dissolution of partnership, book of accounts of the firms need not be closed. Assets and liabilities. In case of dissolution of firm, assets of the firm are sold and liabilities are paid, and the balance amount, if any, is distributed among all the partners. In dissolution of partnership, assets of the firm are revalued and liabilities are reassessed. The gain or loss due to it distributed among the partners in their all profit sharing ratio. Economic relationship. Economic relationship between or among the partners and in case of dissolution of partnership firm. In case of dissolution of partnership, economic relationship between the and among the partners changes. Effect. Dissolution of firm also means dissolution of partnership, and dissolution of partnership may or may not involve dissolution of the firm. अगर पार्टनर चाहें तो कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं, अगर चाहें तो उसको क्लोज डाउन भी कर सकते हैं. Payment of firm's debt and private debts, section 49. Firm's debt. Debt which the firm owes to outsiders are called firm's debt. And private debt, debts which the partners owes in his personal capacity are called private debts. For example, firm has taken a loan for the purchase of asset is firm's debt. And private debt, example, partner has taken a loan from bank to construct his house, that is private debt. Amount realized from the sale of the assets of the firm is first used to pay off the firm debts, and if there is any surplus available, it is distributed among the partners. For example, amounts realized from the sale of asset is rupees 5 lakh, and liabilities from debts are 4 lakh. Now 1 lakh is left, it is distributed among the partners. And amount realized from the sale of private estate of partners, from the private property of partners, will be used to first to pay the private debts of the partners, and if there is any surplus available, it will be used in paying of the firm's debt. Distinction between firm's debt and private debts. Meaning, firm debts refers to the debts payable by the firm to outsiders, जो firm ने outsiders को देने, and private debts refers to the debts payable by a partner in his personal capacity, जो एक particular partner ने देने. Who is liable for the firm debts? All partners are liable jointly and independently. Severally means independently. For private debts, only the concerned partner is liable personally. The partner has taken debt, so he is liable personally for the repayment of that debt. Application of firm's property. Firm's property is applied first toward payment of firm debts, and concerned partner share in excess of firm's property over firm's debt can be applied towards payment of his प्राइवेट डेट। तो फर्म की प्रॉपर्टी है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल उसे फर्म के डेट पे किए जाएंगे। अगर उसमें से कुछ पार्टनर का जो कुछ शेयर बचता है तो उसके बाद जो है उसे हम अप्लाई करेंगे टूवर्ड्स द पेमेंट ऑफ हिज प्राइवेट डेट्स। एप्लीकेशन ऑफ प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी। Surplus of partner's private property over his private debts can be applied towards payment of firm's debt. पार्टनर की प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी में से फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पार्टनर के प्राइवेट डेट्स पे किए जाएंगे। आफ्टर दैट अगर कुछ अमाउंट बचता है तो देन फर्म डेट विल बी पेड। एंड इन केस ऑफ प्राइवेट डेट, प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी इज अप्लाइड फर्स्ट टुवर्ड्स द पेमेंट ऑफ प्राइवेट डेट्स।